Guitar and Game of Thrones definitely messed up the start of my day a little bit because it's now 4 o'clock and we're just leaving the house. Good news and bad news. Good news is the skyline isn't breaking up anymore, but bad news is now it's going to make it very hard to diagnose what was causing that breakup yesterday, because it is definitely something that should be looked at. I think what I'm going to start with, I'm going to O'Reilly's to go pick up some more BKR7E spark plugs. So we run in this in pretty much all the cars. And gonna swap out the plugs, maybe take a look at the coil packs, some grounds around the car, and see if we can figure out maybe what was causing that issue yesterday. Look who I saw over at Starbucks. This guy's just chilling over there, so he's gonna follow me over to the warehouse. And then we're gonna do skyline things. Look at back there. Been all purple and stuff. And we're here. We've been working on all the Black Friday stuff to keep you guys updated. I know last year we ran a little bit behind on shipping because we got such a massive influx. This year we prepared a bit better, and I think we'll have pretty much all the orders completely out by Wednesday. If there's a holdup, it's probably because of me taking forever to sign stuff. Alberto's been out here toying with the skyline. How the plugs look? Tell me, sir.
They look not so well.
Yeah. So the one thing that kind of concerns me a little bit, cylinder 1 does look a little bit wet, but there's a little bit of buildup on it. Do you think it's from using so many different types of fuel, Alberto, or just because I haven't changed them?
I think that's probably a bit of a mixture of probably old fuels and a little bit of oil like cooking onto the spark plug.
So the question is, do you think that that is the issue I was having with that breakup? Could that have possibly gone away once the plugs cooled down or something? Or
probably. I mean, once you start getting build up, you have more electrical resistance, so a weaker spark, so it could actually be that you're getting a weak spark on these.
Huh, interesting. Well, anyway, he's changing those out. The car was running fine today anyway. But other than that, there's like a little issue he's fixing where the trunk wouldn't like close or open right. But other than that, the skyline's in pretty decent shape. Unfortunately, our plans got rained out. We're driving the skyline home in the rain. Whee! Okay. I get it, Rain, you slippery. Got myself another one of those chicken bowls because I was so into it last time. Definitely stoked on these. All right. I was very not good tonight because I ate my food and I went to go start cleaning the back room. I got distracted. I have a problem, I've informed you guys of this, where when it comes to hobbies or things that I'm passionate about, I put too much time into them and I get distracted from other things in life, like making a video for you guys. So, this happened again. We went into the back room and I started cleaning, right? I'll show you guys. You can see the floor a lot more now. I started throwing stuff out, discarding stuff that I didn't need. Whoops, not gonna pick that up. Maybe in a week or so. You know, I got the room visible and everything, and then I was like, ooh, guitar. Let me pick you up. Let me just play you just for a minute. Just for a minute. Then a minute turns into 10 minutes. Then 10 minutes turns into an hour. Then turns into 2 hours. Then I realize it's midnight and I haven't filmed anything. And I'm not gonna be able to watch Game of Thrones if I don't hurry up and film something. So we're gonna do the blues thing like I told you I was gonna do the other day. And we're gonna end this video, unfortunately, without really doing that much today. Doesn't really feel good, but I guess it's good that I'm taking a break from my back, trying to resist the urge to work on cars. I have a lot of cool stuff and cool parts in my hands ready to be installed, but I'm like, I know that I really shouldn't. So, back is definitely feeling a bit better. I've been trying to stretch. I think that's been helping a bit. But we'll jam out real quick, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys tomorrow, and we're gonna get stuff done. Tomorrow's gonna be a productive day. I'm gonna wake up much earlier, and yeah, that's how it's gonna go. Everything's in major today, so we're only gonna be, not major, what am I talking about? Standard tuning, so we're only gonna be playing on this little girl here. I do want another guitar. I like this guitar, but like, I'm no longer the middle school Avenged Sevenfold fan that I once was. I don't hate them, I don't dislike them, but it'd be cool to have a not Avenged Sevenfold guitar that's nice. But this is like a really nice, like, quality guitar, so I really enjoy playing it, and I'm very fortunate that this camera's a little low today, huh? You don't need so much knee in the shot. Maybe you do. Okay, ready, blues. chord is bad. I need a new chord. Many times. I can sweep, but I'm having a very hard time getting the sweep in, like timing it right after that other note and getting it to line up with all the chords because I was just improving. I didn't have like a set thing that I was doing, but I just knew that I wanted to get to that sweep down. And it came out kind of messy. But I promise I can sweep. I'm just, well, I'm not very good at it. I'm just trying to practice it better, but like. My inability to sweep. So I'm just like sounds kind of metal. You can't, when I like play it clean, you can tell that I'm messing up a lot of stuff, but it kind of covers it up well. Another thing I played on Instagram that's really fun to play. Another song. I might as well sing it. This is fun. That's a fun one. And I will see you guys next time.